Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to crochet a super cute hair scrunchie in under 10 minutes. It's very simple and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. I'm using the yarn you see on the screen. You can replace it with any similar yarn. This yarn is called mix yarn. And this one is mohair. I'm using two hook sizes, 4.5mm and 6mm. You'll also need a hair scrunchie base, scissors, and a yarn needle. Let's get started. First, I'll use a 4.5mm hook to start with the mohair yarn. Attach the yarn to the hair scrunchie. Now, make a knot. Now, make one single crochet. Continue making single crochets. You don't need to count, just make sure the stitches cover the entire hair scrunchie. While crocheting, make sure to crochet over the yarn tail to secure it. At the end of the round, slip stitch into the first single crochet to join. For round 2, chain 3. Then make one double crochet into the same stitch. The chain 3 counts as one double crochet. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets in the same stitch. This is called a double crochet increase. For the remaining stitches, work 1 double crochet increase in each stitch until the end of the round. At the end of the round, switch to a 6.0mm hook. Now, finish the round with a slip stitch into the third chain. And switch to the mix yarn to continue with round 3. Now, pull the yarn through and make a slip stitch. Chain 1, then make 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Remember to crochet over the yarn tails as you go. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Then chain 1. Continue with 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches. Then chain 1. Repeat 2 single crochets. Chain 1 all the way around. Keep your stitches loose while crocheting. Slip stitch into the first single crochet to join at the end of the round. Cut the yarn. And now your cute hair scrunchie is done. It's super easy, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Happy crocheting, and see you in the next video.